Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Safaka Ahmar. I am from University of Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka. In this video, I would like to explain about boxplot. So, enjoy the video. The first discussion is, what is a boxplot? Boxplot is a method for graphically depicting groups of numerical data through their quartiles. Boxplot can be drawn either horizontally or vertically. Boxplot receive their name from the box in the middle. A boxplot is a standardized way of displaying the dataset based on a 5-number summary. First, minimum value. Minimum value is the lowest data point excluding any outliers. The second is first quartile. First quartile, also known as the lower quartile, is the median of the lower half of the dataset. The third is median or second quartile. Median is the middle value of the dataset. The next is third quartile. Third quartile, also known as the upper quartile, is the median of the upper half of the dataset. The last is maximum value. Maximum value is the largest data point excluding any outliers. The second discussion is boxplot consists of the main part of the boxplot is a square-shaped box consisting of fields that present the inner quartile range or IQR. Inner quartile range or IQR is the distance between the upper and lower quartile. The longer IQR field shows, the more spread the data. Line under the box is first quartile. Line in the middle of the box is median, and line on the top of the box is third quartile. Next, the lines that are extension of the box, both up and down, are called whiskers. And values that are under and upper the whiskers are called outliers or extreme values. The third discussion is boxplot can help to assess the symmetry of data distribution. The location of the median and the length of the whisker illustrate the level of symmetry. If the data symmetrical, the median line will be in the middle of the box. The top and bottom whiskers will have the same length and no outlier or extreme values. Next, if the data are not symmetrical, the median will not be in the middle of the box, and one of the whiskers is longer than the other, and symmetrical data is divided into two. First, positive skewness. The existence of an outlier at the top of the boxplot, accompanied by a longer top whiskers, shows that the distribution of data tends to extend toward the right. The second is negative skewness. Conversely, the existence of an outlier at the bottom of the boxplot, accompanied by a longer bottom whisker, shows that the distribution of data tends to extend towards the left. The fourth discussion is example without outliers. A series of hourly temperatures were measured throughout the day in degrees Fahrenheit. A boxplot of the data can be generated by calculating 5 relevant values. First, the minimum value. In this case, the minimum day temperature is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The second is the maximum value. In this case, the maximum day temperature is 81 degrees Fahrenheit. The third is the median. The median of this box plot is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The fourth is the first quartile. The first quartile value can easily be determined by finding the middle number between the minimum and the median. For the hourly temperatures, the middle number between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 70 degrees Fahrenheit is 66 degrees Fahrenheit. The last is the third quartile. The third quartile value can easily be determined by finding the middle number between the median and the maximum. For the hourly temperatures, the middle number between 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 81 degrees Fahrenheit is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Next is the inner quartile range, or IQR. IQR is third quartile minus first quartile equals 75 degrees Fahrenheit minus 66 degrees Fahrenheit equals 9 degrees Fahrenheit. Hence, 1.5 IQR equals 1.5 times 9 degrees Fahrenheit equals 13.5 degrees Fahrenheit. 1.5 IQR above the third quartile is third quartile plus 1.5 IQR equals 75 degrees Fahrenheit plus 13.5 degrees Fahrenheit equals 88.5 degrees Fahrenheit. And 1.5 IQR below the first quartile is first quartile minus 1.5 IQR equals 66 degrees Fahrenheit minus 13.5 degrees Fahrenheit equals 52.5 degrees Fahrenheit. The upper whisker of the box plot is the largest dataset number, smaller than 1.5 IQR above the third quartile. Here, 1.5 IQR above the third quartile is 88.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Therefore, the upper whisker is drawn at the value of the maximum is 81 degrees Fahrenheit. And the lower whisker of the box plot is the smallest dataset number, larger than 1.5 IQR below the first quartile. 1.5 IQR below the first quartile is 52.5 degrees Fahrenheit, and the minimum is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Therefore, the lower whisker is drawn at the value smallest dataset number, larger than 52.5 degrees Fahrenheit is 55 degrees Fahrenheit. So, that is the last of the explanation. I hope the explanation is useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye!